So you clicked on this video because you're trying to decide should you start calisthenics or weightlifting. The truth is both options are great, but which one is the best for you? Let's find out. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First up, calisthenics. It's basically a survival mode. No plates, no cables, no machines. Just you, your body and the gravity. At first, it's the essentials. Push-ups, dips, pull-ups. But the moment you get strong enough, you unlock the cool stuff. Levers, handstand, muscle-ups, and so on. And moves that make people at the park think you're glitching the matrix. This training style feels raw. Everything's moved together. Everything's stabilized. Your body becomes one unit instead of a bunch of separate parts. Now let's look up at weight training. You walk into the gym and it's basically a toolbox for human body. Barbells, dumbbells, cables, machines, everything neatly designed to help you build more weight. The progression is beautiful. Muscle growth becomes predictable, measurable, and honestly pretty satisfying. If calisthenics is athletic skill, gym training is straight up muscle architecture. Now let's talk about money. Calisthenics, it's obviously free. You can train at home, you can train at the park, you don't need much. But the gym, you are paying for convenience, equipment, and so on. The gyms can feel like they're swallowing your wallet, but building a home gym, that's even more premium and more expensive. From a financial perspective, calisthenics win without even warming up. But what if you're starting out? Calisthenics sounds simple. Push-ups, easy, right? Until you try to do one and your body shakes like you're defusing a bomb. And pull-ups, most beginners discover very quickly that pull-ups are one of the most difficult exercises you can do. There is no beginner mode. Your body weight is your weight. Meanwhile, the gym is a beginner paradise. Tiny dumbbells, adjustable weights, machines that hold your hand through the movements. For brand new lifters, weights feel like easier doorway. Now let's look at the strength and looks. Calisthenics give you control, balance, and coordination. A kind of strength that feels useful, athletic, and natural. You won't just look strong, you will move strong. The gym though, if a mass, symmetry, and look like Zeus is the goal, nothing beats the weights. Machines let you target muscles, calisthenics can only dream of isolating. Another category we can look up is progression. Weight training is mad. Numbers go up, muscle grows. Reps go up, muscle grows. Easy to track, easy to understand. Calisthenics, it's more like leveling up in a game. You first start with easier push-ups, then harder push-ups, and you start with twisted movements. Progression is slower, but it's more tactical. If you want fast, measurable wins, then the gym is a better option. If you love the grind, the skills, and the slow progression, then calisthenics can be a good option. Now let's see fat loss. The best training for fat loss is your diet. However, if you're overweight and starting fresh, calisthenics can feel like a punishment. A push-up is suddenly a full body negotiation, and then a pull-up, you should forget about it. The gym lets you adjust resistance, move safely, and build strength without suffering one rep. And you've got treadmills, bikes, rowers, and so on. For pure weight loss beginners, the gym is a simple option. Calisthenics equals freedom, anytime, anywhere. But that freedom can also turn into procrastination real fast. The gym is atmosphere. Even if you speak to nobody, the energy pushes you. Some people need that, some people hate that. It's all about personality. Now the final truth. The only option right is the one that fits your needs. In my personal opinion, the strongest, cleanest, and most balanced physiques often mix both worlds. But if you want to pick just one, you should ask yourself, if you want skill, athleticism, and freedom, then go for calisthenics. If you want size, simplicity, progression, and always a good weather, you should pick the gym. Either choice beats doing nothing. If you like this type of content, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know if you train calisthenics or you mix both styles. And until next time, peace out.